Regarding the Bathurst 1000 sponsorship, Supercheap Auto have prepared a statement which I will now read right now. Dear Bathurst 1000, we have loved you for a very long time. So we were heartbroken when you told us that after 16 years of partnership, next year, you wanted to see other sponsors. A foreign-owned sponsor, nonetheless. We're not saying you're a gold digger, but why else would you let us go? Now, yeah, we know we can be cheap. Our export degreasers are 3 for $5. And Bendix Ultra Premium brake pads are 2 for $85.99. So, but we thought that what we had was special and long-lasting. Like our specials on long-lasting Century batteries now 20% off. We're not bitter. Yeah, okay. But we still love you, Bathurst. And we always will. I mean, come on. What's not to love? You know? Scent of the petrol, you know, the excitement of the track that, beautiful view of your Mount Panorama. Come on. We are your biggest fan. You can take Supercheap Auto out of the Bathurst 1000, but you can't take Bathurst 1000 out of Supercheap Auto. Although legally maybe you can. Someone should probably check on that. Although the feeling may not be mutual, and isn't, we can respect and understand your decision, even if we can't understand it. Which is why, as our last year as major partners, we want to make the most of the time that we have left together. Let's not make this more awkward than I'm making it right now. Let's just ensure 2020's event is one to remember. God, sorry. And don't get us wrong, we promise that we will fight to get you back. Even if that means that we have to stand out underneath your window holding a boombox above our heads, whatever it takes. Or we could just woo you with our even lower prices on products like the Bizzle Spot Clean Auto Carpet Shampoo, say $228.99, for example. We will win you back, at the very least, to get rid of the 140,000 bumper stickers that we'd already had printed for next year's event. So, but major sponsor or not, we love you, Bathurst 1000. We love you, and we will always be watching you. Not in a creepy way. Love always, Supercheap Auto. As for the public, we hope that you can respect our privacy at this time and check out our great deals on engine oil. The two are unrelated. So, are there any questions?
Yes, hello. Greg here from the Daily. What are your thoughts on the comments made by Bathurst CEO that stated that a new sponsor will breathe new life into the sport?
Yeah, we've heard those hurtful comments, and all I can say is we all say hurtful things, things we don't mean in the heat of the moment. I mean, us and Bathurst 1000, we've been together for 16 years. That's a long time, and in a relationship of any kind, there's always going to be hiccups, Greg, but the thing that we can agree on is that you can fix hiccups. You can drink a glass of water really fast, or you can breathe into a paper bag, or maybe you do that thing where you hang over backwards and your mum comes and tickles your feet. But that's not appropriate for this setting. So, look, to be honest with you, Greg, I've completely forgotten the question. So,
a new sponsor will breathe new life into the sport?
Yes, breathe new life into this. I mean, if you want to breathe new life into things, you think Supercheap Auto, right? We sell the best jumper leads in Australia. talk about breathing. You stick one of those under your engine. We've been breathing new life into people's lives for a long time. So, next question.
Jennifer from the Tabloid. You tweeted that Supercheap Auto is the only sponsor for Bathurst and supercars. What did you mean by that?
Well, Jen, I mean, I think it's pretty obvious, you know. Supercheap Auto, right? What's Bathurst? What is it, Jen? Supercars, okay? Supercar. It's like, celebrities, when they get together and the press, they give them those names, don't they? Like Brangelina or Tomcat. So I reckon, let's take the super from supercars. Let's take the cheap auto from Supercheap Auto. What do you get, Jen? Supercheap Auto. I mean, come on. Does that answer your question?
Not really.
Right. Well, I think we're all very tired. We're very emotional, so I think that's enough. Thanks very much. We'll see you in a few days. Thank you.